In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client-facing project space in Basecamp. First, let's bring your client into the project so the space can actually be client-facing. Open the project where you want them to collaborate. At the top, near the people icons, click Set Up People, or it may say Add some people if no one's been added yet. In the window that appears, switch to the Clients tab. Choose Add Clients and enter their contact details. Typically their name, email address, and company name, then send the invitation. Your client will receive an email asking them to join the project. If more than one client contact needs access, you can add multiple people here, so everyone who should be involved gets an invite. If they don't see it right away, ask them to check spam or promotions folders, and you can always resend the invite from the same place. Now, let's talk about what your client can see. By default, everything inside a Basecamp project starts out private to your team. That means the client won't see anything until you choose to share it. Each time you post a message, create a to-do list, schedule an event, or upload a file, Basecamp will ask whether the item should stay private to your team or be visible to the client too. When you want your client to have access, select Allow the client to see this too. If you're sharing a status update, a deliverable, or a meeting date, turn visibility on. If it's internal planning or sensitive notes, keep it private. You can review the visibility setting right when you're creating the item, so you stay in control without extra steps. Here's what clients are able to do once they're in. They can see messages, to-dos, documents and files, schedules, check-ins, and other items that you've explicitly made visible to them. They can comment, reply, and upload attachments on those shared items, which makes it easy to gather feedback, clarify details, and keep everything in one place. Just as important is what clients cannot do. They won't see internal or private items. They can't create or delete projects, add people to projects, or change project tools or settings. This keeps your workspace secure and your processes intact, while still giving clients a clear window into the work you've chosen to share. That's it. Invite your client, share only what's relevant by choosing Allow the client to see this too, and keep your internal work private. With these controls, you'll have a clean, professional, client-facing space that supports collaboration and protects your team's workflow.